Hey, darling, this is section 2.4. This is number 5. I'm just going to try and do a couple video explanations because I think that'll be easier for you to understand and you can hear me say it instead of trying to read something and not understand it. So this one, it's really not that bad. Now, you remember when we were doing limits, and you know that the right side means that you're going to be coming from, find my finger, there it is. Coming from the positive side. This would be your positive side because it's on the right. This would be your negative side. So we're going to focus on the questions. So for number A, it says, does the limit as x is going to 0 from the positive side exist? So remember, we're going to walk this way until we find a graph. Once we touch that graph, we're going to stick with it. We go all the way down and up and then down and then up and we stop. Looks like we stop right there. We're not touching this value over here. We're not touching the x value, that's 0. We don't come anywhere near it at all from this graph. So it does not exist because it's not being touched in any way. There's no way to get to it from the right side. So for A, your answer is no, it doesn't exist. For your value B, we're going to 0 from the negative side. We're going to go this way till we connect to a graph. There's our graph. We keep going, and it does exist. It exists at 0. So for B, does the limit exist as x is going to 0 from the negative side? Yes, it does. We can connect all the way till we hit the value of 0. Now for C, it says, does the limit as x goes to 0 exist? The only way that a limit can exist at a value is if the right side equals the left side. So our value from the right side does not exist. Even though our value from the left side exists, this value will not exist because it does not because the right side does not equal the left side. I hope that makes sense.